little lad was 8 years old, and he had a girlfriend, a new girlfriend every week at school. He would be making these love letters every day. He'll kill me for sharing this because he's 14 now. And I used to say to him, Jodie, what happened to Lucy? Oh, no. Oh, what happened to Megan? Oh, no. And he was very clear he was making his way through the whole class. So I said, why are you doing that, lovely? He said, Mum, I've got so much love to give. I'm just trying to find somebody who wants it. And I remember sat on his bed thinking, I'm going to remember that. That's an absolute classic. But he's right. And the problem I found was that the more I offered the person I thought I was, I couldn't understand why what I was attracting didn't seem like the right fit. I couldn't work it out. I thought, what am I doing wrong? There's got to be something wrong with me. I must try harder, or I need to relax more, or maybe I need to be more serious, or maybe I need to stop being so girly or giggly, and I thought, oh, this is just too painful. I was offering something that didn't have anything other than just a shell. I had to become really familiar with all of me. I had to recognize, enjoy, embrace what it was that made me me. I am what I am. What is that special creation?